Hey guys, you're looking at one of the coolest little finds I've come across in a long time. This is a professionally built 1939 Chevrolet. I think it's probably a Masters 85, but we're just going to call it a nice little Deuce Coupe. That is a spectacular little ride. This car is so cool. You're looking at multi-metallic yellow. Depending on what direction the sun hits it, that yellow changes color, goes gold and copper and all kinds of things. And it's got a fade flame job, both on the hood, the fenders, the headlights, even on the roof of the car. And of course that's buried in clear coat. Nicely done. I love this car. It's got all fresh stainless chrome trim on it. Running boards look like they don't have hardly even been stepped on. Look at there. It's got the color-coded welting in between the front, in between the parts. Look how nice that wheel sits down inside there. Well, that's because that's got a tubbed rear wheels in it. Those wheel wells have been extended into the body of the trunk. Look at that. I'm 6 foot tall. I call it 5'11" and a half. And it's got just a slight chop to it, including the back windows and the vent windows. And being just shy of 6 feet, that car fits me so nice. I've had a few of them that I thought were actually maybe a little uncomfortable to drive, and sometimes if you have something that you really like, you're willing to put up with that. But they even got a nice little Corvette little fuel cap on it right there. Nice little Chevrolet emblems on it. Very cool. Very cool, very nicely done. Such a pretty car. All the welting, everything on it is really nicely done. Under the trunk, there's your wheel wells extended inside to it. That is the extra piece for the roll bar to come around the driver's door if you wanted to. It's even got little headlight covers, nicely done over there. I love the subtle little tail lights on it. I think they're so cool. Very nostalgic. Pretty much exactly what it should be. Notice there's no door handles. Obviously it's got poppers on it. And right there it's got Lakeside sticking out there. It does have full-length 3-inch stainless steel exhaust on it, all the way out to the back. Everything on this car is near perfect. That's got to be a $20,000 paint job at least. And as I say, everything has been either redone, re-chromed, replaced. Nice little turn signals on the side there. Yeah, it looks like that might even be LEDs in there. Very nicely done. That car is just off the hook. Give me a minute and I'm going to show you the inside.